Hi, it's Liz here from TS All-in-One Solution. We just did remove this one, the TG.3, because this one is discontinued. This is no more manufacturing. And we installed this one for the DC Blue Advance. And we did full, we are changing all the wheels. Change the brake. And most of the garage always this is the number one bracket. This is number 2. This one number 3. This one should be number 4. And this is number 1. And this is the one. So it's totally giving 6 brackets. Started from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the middle one always on the number 1. Brackets. So we change both sections. The motor, all the programming, everything is done.